All right, it's happening. Chopping off the fat. Just remove this cob job rear frame section that it's been on there for years. Time to put the factory frame section back in there. So the only thing that gets me, I have some bars that I can put down in there to make that structurally sound, to weld that up. I don't really know, I don't really have a reference point to gauge this distance right here. I might just have to eyeball that a little bit. I don't know. I mean, it's got some bolt holes here, but there's nothing to set this distance.